What's up, guys? Tech Tony here. I know it's a little windy here in downtown Dothan with some noise, but I just got my Clix auto wiper blades in for my 2010 Prius. I'm gonna put these suckers on and see how they do. The right sizes here. 18. What is that? That's the 18. This is a 26. Let's see how long it takes me to figure this out. Okay. Hey, let me pause this real quick. Alright, I don't know if it's my model or the car's, but it looks like some tools will be required for this installation. Definitely not that one. Okay. Just open. Alright, look at that. Alright, looks like it's on. Let's try the second one. That came up a lot easier. The heck? There we go. What the heck? Is there a piece missing? The heck and heck? That's a lot harder to put on. Okay. Alright, let's see how these work. All right, you know, they work great. I really like them. Obviously my car is blue, so I got the blue windshield wipers right here. Installation, we expect your standard guy to be able to do as well. I'm sure a professional will be able to get those on faster. Do I recommend them? I sure do. I'll give you guys a better update here in Alabama when we get our next storm that's coming in and see how those wiper blades do against an Alabama storm here. Thanks. See now, lo and behold, it is raining here in Dothan, Alabama, and the Clix all wiper blades are doing pretty good. It is raining a bit harder than what it looks like, but they're doing a great job right now.